just outside Denali, where the wilderness calls, beyond busy highways and city walls. A sand pit rests beneath Alaska's sky, where friends gather together as the days drift by. Off Stampede Road, rugged and rough, the journey itself is part of the stuff that makes every traveler smile with delight as mountains glow golden in the midnight light. Our RVs and campers circle the land, parked side by side on the gravel and sand. No hookups or pavement, no schedules to keep, just freedom and friendship running deep. Some hike the trail where adventurers roam, far from the comfort of a modern home. Others explore where the wild rivers flow, or simply relax and enjoy the show. Moose wander nearby through willow and brush, their movements gentle, silent and hush. Perhaps a fox passes or an eagle flies high, circling proudly through Alaska's sky. The wilderness teaches what many forget, that life's greatest treasures aren't purchased yet. They're found in good company, simple and true, in moments shared beneath skies of blue. So here's to Stampede Road and the trails beyond, to friendships that grow and wilderness fun, to boondocking adventures where spirits run free in the heart of Alaska's vast country. Long after the adventures have faded away, the memories remain from each wonderful day. For the road and the friends become part of the soul, leaving us richer, stronger and whole.